back to my channel. I don't know why I said that. I feel like it's really cringe when everyone said that. Nice to see you again. So I got a new background, I moved house. This is my second day being here, and I wanted to give you a little empty apartment tour. So there is some stuff here. It's not like completely empty, but it's before any real decorating or unpacking has happened. Obviously I've got the sofa and some stuff, like I've been here for 2 days. But yeah, I just want to show you the whole place as it is, and then we can do some unpacking videos and stuff together, like bring you on the journey with me. So I thought it'd be nice to show you what it's like before, basically right now. Hope you enjoy, hope you like it. Let's go. This is the front door. We've got like intercom here. Hello. I've not had to use that yet. I don't even know what sound it makes or anything, but whatever. So this is the front door. I don't know which way I should try to take you. Hold on. So now if you were standing at the front door, this is the view of the whole place. So as we start, so this is the living room. There's an open kitchen here. So can you see properly? A nice kitchen, open plan. Like this looks cute. It's got a dishwasher, which is great because I hate doing dishes. And then the fridge is on the counter. I've started putting some stuff in here, but honestly not much. This is all I've got I've got no glasses, but I bought some bowls and stuff recently, and then just got some food. But honestly, like I said, I've been here 2 days, so I've been having pizza. I had pizza twice already. It's just easier. This is the kitchen space, and then if I turn you around, so if you're standing at the kitchen again, you'll see there's a door here. So we're gonna go through this door and I'll show you what's in here. This is the main bedroom, which I don't have a bed or anything in yet, so it's empty. It's pretty much just like, it's not being used really because there's no bed yet. We've ordered a mattress, but it's gonna take 2 weeks to arrive, so we're sleeping on the sofa. The sofa is, I'll show you the sofa a bit later, but the sofa is a sofa bed, a double-sized sofa bed, so it's been fine. But this is bedroom. Like I said, it's a bit messy because I've not really been using it, but it's definitely a good size space. You've got like a little ceiling window that I'm not gonna open. We've got big mirror, double wardrobe. I don't know if it's double or not, but big wardrobe, sliding doors and everything. So it's really big, which is great. So this is the whole room. It is quite big. We're gonna get a king size bed in here, so that gives you a sense of scale. It's quite a big room. And then what's over here? We've got an ensuite, bitch. We've got a really nice ensuite that has this huge mirror, which is great because I know it's taller than me. See your whole self, and then everything else. All this covered space as well. Loads of it. I'm excited to make, it's so echoey, but I'm excited to make some videos in here as well because I just think the vibe is nice. Even if it was rolled to the mirror. How cute. And then you just do a little. I bought this to match the marble on the side. Just wanted to show you because I'm proud of that purchase. So this is the ensuite. There's little bear. Hello. He's wondering what we're doing. So you come back out of here again. This is where you end up, back by the kitchen. So I'll show you the living room. I'll show you now, I think. So I've got a mirror here, a freshener on top, and then this is the living room. I want to show you the sofa situation because I'm really happy with it. I'm really glad that we have a sofa like this. Obviously this is the sofa, but then it pulls out like this. And now it's a double bed. It's a big size, it's great. This is from IKEA, but that's huge. Hey bear. Excuse me. We got the rug, a little hand-me-down from a friend, which is cute. It's kind of a bit too small, but like it'll do for now. It's cute for now. And then opposite the sofa, I got all this set up pretty much day one because we got the sofa set up and the TV situation set up day one, obviously, because I was like, I'm gonna need something to do, something to watch. So this is a locker that was from where I lived before. And I've just got like all the cables and everything in there. So then you can't see it because there's like a hole in the bottom of this so you can feed the cables through, which is great. You can just hide shit in there. Excuse me. And then I've got a lamp here. I don't even know if you can tell yet. Just like little cute vibes. Lamp here. Controllers for the PlayStation, the PS5 and the Xbox. The PS5 is back here. Because everybody knows it's an ugly console. So I didn't want it out and there wasn't any space for it. So I got the Switch here. The Xbox is down here. You can kind of still see it. but then the PlayStation is hidden behind the TV. And it works really well because then you've still got everything connected, but you don't have to look at everything all the time. I've got a little humidifier that's cute as well, although I don't have any of the essential oils for it. I've got my Alexa here, a little fake plant. I've got hidden behind, this is a sound bar. We know what a sound bar is, it's a speaker for the TV, so that's connected. And then behind here, I have 2 of the Switch controllers hidden. So So I'm enjoying how much I've been able to hide certain things, but still be able to have them all right there. And then obviously my controller stand, I think I already said that, but the controller stand over there, a little makeshift table that I'll probably put blankets or something in. So that's pretty much the living room. There's also the balcony, and the balcony stretches the whole length of the apartment, so like to end. So it's a really nice big balcony. Bear's been really enjoying having the outdoor space and like, yeah, just being able to go out and not be under constant supervision, because where I lived before, he could get out of the garden, which meant that if he went out in the garden, he needed to be either on a lead or being watched. So it was really nice being able to just let him out. And when it's a bit warmer, it was a bit warmer yesterday, he was just sitting out there. I put his bed out there because he was just sitting out there. He was just watching the world go by, and I just thought it was really sweet. So yes, it's really nice having a balcony, especially because I've never really had one before. So it's really exciting. Next up, if you follow me this way, you'll see there's a door here. This is the messiest room of all of them because this is my stream room. It's also, because it's my stream room, this is my main room. The room I will work from, it's the room I will stream from, it's the room I will get dressed in. So all of my stuff is in this room, basically. Got a table yesterday. It's only temporary, but come on in. So this is this half of the room. It goes all the way back that way as well, but this is where my desk is gonna be set up. I got this desk yesterday from somebody in the building. So today's task is to set this up a bit. I needed to get a desk before I could start unpacking everything because everything is kind of for the desk. So there was no point starting. I couldn't do anything with half the stuff. So like this on the floor, you haven't even seen it. All of this to organize and put out, but it'll be fine. It'll be fun because I'll probably do it on stream, so then it's like doing it together. This is where I'll be sitting. Eventually, I'm gonna get a standing desk. Like that desk is not a permanent solution. Probably gonna sell it after we don't need it anymore. It was really cheap because it was just from someone here. So it's nice for now. I might even put that rug in here maybe when I get a new rug. Anyway, thinking out loud. So this is what's going on at the moment in here. I'll bring you in a bit further so you can see more of the room. So if I put you on the other side, so now you're on the desk side. I got all this to pack up, box up, sort out. There's also obviously a big window in here. I can open some light in here. There we go. So this is the whole room. So it's quite big. So all of this is like stream area. And then I'm thinking, get some drawers here. And then I can put some pictures on top and stuff and more storage. I think that's the perfect place for it because it's 2 bedrooms. This is obviously supposed to be a bedroom, but it's not going to be. So it's got a good amount of space, but also because it's a bedroom, it also has another wardrobe. So this is where all my stuff is gonna go. All my clothes and everything is gonna go in here. So I need to start doing that at some point, but my mom said to put all my clothes through the wash before I hang them up. And to be honest, doing that feels like it's gonna take me days to do. And B is the main reason why I haven't started doing it, because I just think having to put every single thing in the washing machine and loads of laundry is stopping me from wanting to do any of it, because I'm like, that's gonna take me days. Whereas if I just hung it up, it would take me maybe 1 day to hang it up. So I'm not sure that being in my mind, because I know it's the right thing to do, don't get me wrong. I know that I should, because my stuff's been in boxes for a little while. So I know in my head, like, it's the right thing to do. You should wash the stuff first. So it's all nice and fresh and clean. You can wear everything, like, be really satisfying. But I don't know, just the idea of doing all of that. I don't even know if I have enough washing machine tablets, whatever. But I think I'm gonna at least make a start. I might just get out like some of my favorite clothes and do it that way, so that at least the first loads of laundry I do is like my favorite stuff that I'm gonna wear all the time. So anyway, so that's really good. So I've got this big wardrobe shelf on top, and then this is a mirror. These can swap as well. Like, I know that's like a really minor detail, but it's nice that it's not like, I can pick which side I want the mirror on, because they don't all do that. But yeah, so I've got a nice wardrobe in here, and then there's a door here, and I hear you say, what the hell is that door for? Let me show you. The stream room's got its own bathroom, so that's great. Great news, great news. So yeah, so it's pretty much the same. The other one has a bath, and this one has a walk-in shower. This one's also a little bit smaller, but it's fine for me. So this is gonna be my main bathroom as well. So I've already got all my stuff in here. Very busy. I'm probably gonna reorganize all of this, but it was just like getting things out, getting things, because I need to get, for the shower, I need to get something to hold shower gels and shampoos, conditioners and all that kind of thing. So when I do that, then this stuff can come out and into the shower. But for now, there's just a shower gel in there, but there's no storage in there. So anyway, it's all in here. I'm definitely gonna do like more specific bathroom unpacking video. Look, I've got Bear's stuff here. I got all the hair stuff here pretty much. That's only up there because it would only fit up there. I got a little picture of my family. This is makeup, nail stuff, toilet rolls, deodorant and lotions. And then I went on holiday recently, and so I only took this amount of makeup. So I've just put that here just because it's my quick go-to makeup at the moment. Then I've got my skincare, toothbrush, sanitary pads, and that's it really. And because I really wanted to keep this clear. And it might not stay that way, but I want it to be relatively clear. So I just have a little deodorant, a little Ariel Funko Pop, and then this little cute thing. He's actually a light, but I don't think he works. But anyway, he's cute. I just thought I'd put him here. And then I've got my Doja Cat VIP card from the Scarlet Tour, just sitting there. And then I also have one of those matching marble soaps. That's it really. I've got a scale down there. I've got all this stuff sitting in the shower. That's not necessarily all bathroom stuff, but it's in here ready to be unpacked at some point. But again, I need certain storage facilities to even begin doing some of this. Like I need drawers and I need just stuff like that, because some of this is an iPad case. Where am I putting that? I need drawers and like junk drawers and stuff to put shit like that in. So it's gonna be boxes definitely in here for a long time, but that's fine. I just like the way that it is at the moment is it's definitely livable because I've been here for 2 days. So it's fine at the moment, you know, it's livable and it's fine, it's cute. I'm just slowly getting things unpacked. I'm really in no rush. I'm kind of enjoying the process as well. There's no rush. There's no time pressure to put on myself of like, oh, it needs to be done by the time this happens and that happens, because it really doesn't. I'll just do it when I get to it. So now we're in here. So this is that room that we just came out of. There's another door here in the same bathroom. Crazy. This door leads back out to the living room, which is great and cool and groovy because it's essentially a guest bathroom. It means it can be a guest bathroom because you can just lock one of the doors and turn this into a guest bathroom. So we're back by the front door again. This is the front door, and then this is the bathroom that can be the guest bathroom. So yeah, I really like the fact that there's an ensuite in the main bedroom, but then there's also a guest bathroom that conjoins onto my stream room, which means it feels so convenient for me. But that's basically the whole place. Let's go sit over here with Bear. Hello, Munchkin. So that's the whole place. I hope you liked it. Even if you don't, I like it and I live here, so whatever. But if you have any tips or ideas or furnishing ideas, suggestions, anything like that, please let me know in the comments. Definitely open to hearing it because we're at very early stages, like nothing on the walls yet. It's all just getting to a place where all the stuff is unpacked, but then, you know, once you've done that and lived like that for a little bit, the decoration starts to come through. So if you have any tips, suggestions, ideas, anything like that, come sit here, come on. Please let me know because I love doing this kind of thing. I'm really excited to do this with you as well. So I do stream as well. I stream most days. So there is a link to that in the description below. So if you do want to follow the journey in a more interactive and live in real time way, please do join us. It's always fun and you can have your input say what you want to say and get a real-time response. So anyway, I had fun. Glad that you could accompany me through this tour. I hope you liked the place, like I said, and we will see you in next week's video. He's very happy here, by the way. He's really enjoying having so much space and having the outdoor space. But we'll see you next Saturday in next week's video. Thanks so much again. Bye.